Hey everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make Play-Doh. Alright, let's head to the kitchen. So get your flour, your salt, your olive oil, and if you want, get food coloring. First, get 2 1/4 cups of flour. Smooth down the flour with the back end of your spoon. Okay, that's 1 cup and 2 cups. Now you're going to need 1/4 cup of flour. And that's 1/4. Now you've got all your flour. Next, you're going to need to get 1 cup of salt. Next, get your olive oil and your 1 tablespoon and fill that up with olive oil. If you want to make your Play-Doh colorful, at this point add some food dye. Our last step is getting 1 1/4 cups of hot water, so turn on your water as hot as it can go, but make sure to not burn yourself. And pour that water right into the bowl with everything else you have. That's 1/4 cup right there. And we're done. Here comes the fun part. Start off mixing the Play-Doh with your spoon and try and get it as mixed as well as you can so that it's not super watery. Now that it's a bit thicker, you can actually start to mix it with your hands, which is super fun. It feels really cool, and just keep mixing and mixing and mixing until all the flour and water is mixed together. Okay, I've mixed it all together, and it's still a little bit sticky because when I touch it, it sort of comes away with my hand, which is fun. If you like that texture, you can leave it like that. But if you want it to be less sticky, you can add just a little bit more flour. And now we're done with our Play-Doh. It feels really cool, and it feels like just the Play-Doh you would get in a store, except you've made it, which is awesome. Here's some examples of colored Play-Doh. If you made colored Play-Doh, it'll sort of look like this. I found some chocolate chips and toothpicks around my kitchen, so I decided to make a snowman. Before you go and play with your Play-Doh, don't forget to clean up.
Thank you everyone for watching our video. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the Boys and Girls Club San Fernando Valley YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more virtual programming.